Ever pondered the journey to becoming a full-stack web developer? Imagine the power to create, control, and maintain every aspect of a web application, from the presentation to the server and the data. Today, you'll discover the roadmap to achieving that. First off, it's crucial to understand what a full-stack web developer is. Picture a wizard of the web, someone with the skill to handle both the front end, that's the part users interact with, and the back end, where all the data processing happens. They're the architects of the digital world, building bridges between users and servers. Step 1 on this journey involves learning the basics. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript form the bedrock of web development. HTML gives structure to your web pages, CSS adds style, and JavaScript brings interactivity. Consider these as your magic spells, the basic tools in your developer toolkit. Next, you'll need to dive into front-end libraries and frameworks. Libraries like jQuery simplify the process of using JavaScript, while frameworks like React or Angular can help you build more complex user interfaces. Think of these as your enchanted items, tools that make your spells more powerful and versatile. Step 3 involves mastering the backend. This means understanding servers, databases, and server-side languages. These languages could be Node.js, Python, or Ruby, among others. This is where you learn to control the hidden mechanisms that make a website function. Picture this as learning to manipulate the unseen forces of the web. The next step is learning about databases and servers. SQL, MongoDB, and understanding how to use cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud are crucial. This is akin to learning the language of the digital realm, allowing you to converse with servers and store information effectively. Now it's time to weave everything together. This is where you become a full-stack developer. Learn to combine your front-end and back-end knowledge to build complete web applications. This is the equivalent of becoming a full-fledged wizard, capable of creating magic from start to finish. To summarize, the key steps in the roadmap to becoming a full-stack web developer are: 1. Learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 1. Understand front-end libraries and frameworks. 1. Master the back-end with server-side languages. 1. Learn about databases and servers. 2. Combine your front-end and back-end knowledge. Remember, becoming a full-stack web developer isn't about knowing a little about everything. It's about having a solid understanding of each layer of web development and knowing how to blend them seamlessly. It's a journey of continuous learning and practice. So, set your sights high, immerse yourself in the magic of web development, and start creating your own digital masterpieces.